Hello,
Hello.
Lynn. Good
Hello,
morning.
teacher.
All right. Good morning. Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
All right. So today, Lynn, is we are going to do our class this morning. Okay. So let me share the screen now so we can now start with our lesson this morning. Okay. So let me share the screen with you, Lynn. So we have here Unit 20. Lynn, what is Unit 20 all about?
And Kim live here.
Okay, Ben and Kim live here. All right, so we have here vocabulary words. What are the given words, Lynn? First is we have
Check.
tick. Okay, you know what's a tick?
Yes.
Okay, and the other one is
Cross.
what's cross? Very good. Tick, cross. Next, okay, Lynn, I have here this one. I have 5 sentences. You're going to look at the picture, read the sentence. If the picture and the sentence are the same, you put tick. But if it's not the same, you put cross. Okay, for example, these are beds. The answer is tick because it's a bed. Next, second example, this is a mouse. Is it a mouse? The example, is it a mouse, Lynn? This one, Lynn. Is this a mouse?
No.
No. What is that? It's a
House.
very good. So it's not a mouse because it's a house. That's why you put cross. Okay. So Lynn, I want you to answer numbers 1 to 5 and put tick or cross inside the box. Go, Lynn. Okay, done. Lynn, finish.
Yes.
Okay. Number 1. What is sentence number 1? Please read.
This is a kitchen.
Okay, this is a kitchen. The correct answer, number 1, is very good. It's a tick. It's a kitchen. Number 2, Lynn, please read number 2.
This is a calendar.
Okay, what's the answer?
Cross.
Okay, why the answer is cross? Because
This the picture.
very good. Because this is a picture, not a camera. Number 3, what is sentence 3?
This is a family.
This is a family. The correct answer is very good. Okay, correct. Number 4, please read 4. What's number 4?
There's a
These and these.
is a shot.
Okay, these are shorts. The answer is it's a tickling. No, it's not a cross. These are shorts. We say this because it's a pair. Left and right shorts. These are short. Next, number 5, Lynn.
These are cats.
These are cats. The answer is
No,
very good. Why it's cross?
because this a cat.
Okay, because these are cars, not cats. Okay. Great work, Lynn. You got 4 out of 5. One mistake. Now, Lynn, listen. So in reading and writing part 4, you complete a text about, for example, an animal, a place, an item of food or clothing. Make sure you look at words around each gap, that you read the whole text at the end and check it makes sense. You should also cross out words after you have used them. So here, Lynn, we have your reading and writing activity. You're going to write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. Lynn, could you please read? What are the given words, Lynn, in different colors? Family, go, read.
Television.
No? Mm.
Restaurant. Desk.
Families,
Chair.
okay. Families,
Television.
television,
Television.
posters, bed,
Desk.
armchairs, house,
Kitchen.
kitchen. Okay, Lynn, please try to complete the text numbers 1 to 5. Fill out the missing words. Go.
It's all finished.
Okay, Lynn, please read the text about a living room. Go. A living room.
A living room is part of a house or flat. Lots of families sit in a living room in the evenings and watch television or listen to music. They sit in armchair or on a sofa. Some people both things like a store or pasting on the walls of their living room. Which room is next to your living room? Is your kitchen or the bathroom?
Okay, so let's check, Lynn, whether you were able to get a good score or correct answers. Living room. So here, a living room is part of a house or flat. Lots of families, correct? Number one is families sit in a living room in the evenings and watch, correct, television or listen to music. They sit in armchairs, correct, Lynn, or on the sofa. Some people put things like posters, correct, or paintings on the walls of their living room. Which room is next to your living room? Is it your kitchen or bathroom? Very good, Lincoln. Perfectly answered. You're able to write the missing words in this. Now, here, Lynn, are there photos on the wall of your living room, Lynn? Are there photos on your living room?
No.
No. Oh, there's no photos. How about, is there a television, Lynn, in your living room?
Yes.
Yes, there is. Oh, most living rooms have that one. Now here, is there a sofa in your living room?
Yes.
Yes. Are there armchairs?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Lynn, aside from the television, the sofa, and the armchair, what else can we see in your living room? What else? What else can we see, Lynn, in your living room? There's television, there's a sofa, there's armchair. What else? Is there anything else, Lynn, in your living room?
Yes.
What else?
Television.
Television. What else can we see in your living room?
Sofa.
Television, sofa. What else? Is there a carpet in your living room? Is there a carpet or a table in your living room?
Table.
There's a table too. Okay. Now here, Lynn, I have here this one. You're going to write the names or numbers that you could do or you can think to fill in the missing gaps or missing words, okay? Think of any words, Lynn, that you know and write it there in numbers 1 to 4, okay?
Okay. John Hennis.
Okay, Lynn, please read sentence 1 to 4.
The family's list is of God's dress. The number of their house is trees. One lives in and the rest living lakes. That's the memory with this family.
Okay, Lynn, very good for that activity. You were able to write the correct answers. Now, Lynn, you enter again to the Zoom class, Lynn, and let's have our second Zoom, okay? Because my Zoom is about to close.